It's a little bit of a later start than me and Gaz are used to. It's about 11 now, simply because it's relaxed time in Key West. So we want to do a little bit of exploring around Key West now. So number one on the list, as always, is we try and schedule and plan our trips around food. So we've heard of a great restaurant that we're going to go to, which was on Man vs Food. I think it's called the Hogfish Grill. And here we have it, the Hogfish Bar and Grill. Very cool little place.
Yeah. How about you?
I think I'm going to go with the Stock Island mixed grill.
Mixed grill? The fish in it is hogfish today.
So you got swordfish and
Shellfish and shrimp.
Creamy sauce.
Crab, artichoke, sun-dried tomato, cream sauce.
Wow.
Rice
Okay.
and those vegetables.
I know. Yeah.
That goes in lunch.
Yeah. So I think I've got some. It's like calamari shrimp, local hogfish, maybe a scallop, and then we've got some healthy stuff that me and Gaz don't recognise anymore. What is this? What is this? Come on. Scallop. It's like we got taste of it.
That's good.
Looks like the main event for hogfish. Hogfish. Interesting.
Yeah?
It's got like the consistency a bit like a scallop. It's a little bit flavourless. Not in a bad way, it's very light.
Tasting good?
Yeah, really good, thank you.
Alright.
Okay, good. Last but not least, the shrimpy. It's all really good. I'd say I'm really happy with the scallop. I had this one the winner. If I just have a little that's right. This is a swordfish, I'm guessing. I think this trip's put me off fried food for a long time.
Yeah, I don't think I'm put off it. It's just nice to eat something that isn't.
Well, let's do this another time for old time's sake. Guys, you were looking so cool then. You look like a biker. Come on, buddy. Here we go. A little bit more. Little bit more. Alrighty. Poor Gaz. Poor Gaz. Oh, luckily enough, no people around to see that humiliating sight. Food was delicious. Yep. Hogfish, the bar and grill, highly recommended. You got manatees outside, and yeah, the grilled seafood. Oh. Right, next we're going to head to the southernmost point in America, and then after that, seeing as we are in Key West, in the Keys, we're going to go to the best place for key lime pie. This was another one that I saw on Man vs Food. We definitely got the weather. Look at this, roasting, but my virgin white skin is not happy at this point in time. Yeah, it's sizzling. But yeah, look at that view. We've seen some places, we've driven in snow, through the deserts, we've been up in the mountains, the Smoky Mountains, Blue Ridge Mountains, down the coast, and this is just a different kind of biking experience, yeah. Oh, there it is, the southernmost point in America, and people queuing up to get a picture with it. What we're going to do is speed on past it and get a nice slice of key lime pie. Winning. There we have it, Blue Heaven. Quite famous around here for key lime pie. So yeah, I've never tried key lime pie before. Looking forward to it. First key lime pie ever. Wow. Never had anything quite like that. Surprisingly good. Yum yum. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
I am super stuffed. Belly full of fish and a big slab of key lime pie. It was absolutely delicious, but no way could I finish out. That was huge. And then we're just going to head back to the boat. Relaxing afternoon on a boat, and can't think of anything better than just chilling out on the deck, just sipping on a couple of Coronas. Most relaxing day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had nothing to do, so we've just eaten, drank, had a few Coronas. Gaz has been listening to rock music all day, and that's pretty much us done for today. We'll check out a couple of bars later, but yeah, that's sunset on our boat. And that's it from Captain Dave and Gaz, the deckhand.